Come.
I can't come if I close my eyes.
Open it and come now.
Okay, no.
Come closer. Forward. I'm gonna touch you. Just come forward. Open your eyes now. Hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, very festive day here in JA. In my house, of course, here in France. I just love saying that. It just make me feel like I'm really kind of homish. That's how much I'm missing Jamaica. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand new day. How are you guys doing? I know you guys are okay. You know why? Because if you're watching this, mean you woke up this morning. And if you woke up this morning, that's enough to be thankful for. That's a privilege. That's earned. Okay. Many did not wait to see this morning, and for those of you who might be going through something right now, I'm sending you tight hug. I'm sending you tight hug. I'm sending you warm wishes. I'm sending you energy. I'm sending you good vibes, and I'm sending you strength. And if you are feeling down for whatever reason, find a way to snap out of it. It's the best time of the year, and I wish I could put a smile on every single person's face just by doing something. So if saying I love you and telling you that you're beautiful, put a smile on your face right now, I'm telling you just that. I love you guys, and you're beautiful, you're awesome, you're enough, you're worthy. Now it's the best time of the year. Put a smile on your face, hug somebody, tell somebody you love them. And today will be a busy head day for me. I'm going to get my hair done today. You hear my horns? I'm going to get my hair done today. It wasn't on my agenda for today to get my hair done initially, because I planned out my next 2 weeks ahead. And this week is gonna be a busy week for me, so hair wasn't in my agenda today. Initially it was supposed to be on Thursday I get my hair done, but then I realized yesterday that I have an appointment on Thursday which I forgot about, which wasn't on my calendar. It was on Babe calendar actually. So that's wouldn't allow me to get my hair done on Thursday, so I have to move it up to today. Monday is when I'm recording this, which you guys will see this on about Thursday, I think. So I have to move it to today, because my week, every day this week I'll be busy doing something or going somewhere. Anyway, you guys, with all that said, Tyler is off to school. They woke up this morning and everybody gone to their respective places. Baby's at the office, he's out of home today. Sarah's here watching TV, and I'm waiting on my friend Tashika. Is Tashika coming to do my hair for me? My hair have to get done in order for Tashika to go and pick up her kids at school, and for me to pick up Tyler at school. So I'm gonna get a quick braid do. My aim is to corner the front and then twist the back. So let's see how it will turn out. Of course, I'll show you guys the process if I can. And that's that for right now. So have a good day. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. You guys will see the rest of the family as the vlog goes by. So enjoy, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. You guys, Tashika is here doing my hair. Look how tight she's doing my head. Where's the comb? I'm dying. Say hello.
Hi family.
But it's neat though. But she wicked. Me a dead.
Love.
Me a dead. Literally me a dead.
Jesus. The exaggeration. Thank God family seeing me just parting your hair.
No,
No, but that's a
you
part
guys, you ever feel me twist and turn in S?
Just cause she want twist and turn, nothing wrong
Yeah,
with her.
wicked man.
Nothing no wrong with her.
Tash, no, catch it up tight.
I'm gonna ask you something, but you know you can't answer that on camera, so I'm gonna why edit it out. Go and tell the people. Hey. So early. Jesus! You know, so she been up like pretzel. Why though? Why? Man, stop it. Come give me the ear, man. It's an into.
I don't think we're gonna make Tashika come back in my head after today. Not the cane raw. She wants anything else.
She wants it neat and tight so it can last. So she not get it neat and tight. There's that ball, man.
She's a wicked girl.
Love you too.
Gee, glory. Nothing when me not labor, me not feel labor pain ya.
You don't know why you but I'm nice.
I want on my eye, literally. Not even a joke.
You're not crying, but stop it. I'm joking, I make you cry, you know.
Oh my god.
You tight for me, you know?
You're wicked. Let me see it.
No, you don't need to sit. Keep still, man.
Let me see. Me I go look in the mirror. Wait.
Move, man.
Wait.
Look! Lord, come finish your ear. She run gone. My girl, come finish your hair.
Look nice, bro. You have it for use.
I want it. Tell me, I have little use.
Girl, I'm used. Girl, nice.
Yes, you look really
Girl,
nice.
look nice. Girl, look nice. No. Ah! New do. Who this? Let me be like them girls. New do. Isn't this absolutely beautiful, you guys? Thank you, Tashika. Tashika did an amazing job with my hair. I'm in love with it. But Tashika had to need to go and fix this. Tashika had to rush out to go and not rush out, but Tashika had to leave to go and pick her kids up. So we had lunch and she's gone in time to catch her kids from school. Well, I am going to go and see if I get a little bit of work done before I go pick up my kids from school. My kids, my boy from school. Sarah is taking a nap right now.
Mom, I'm doing a tunnel.
You're making a tunnel. Wow. Wow. Sarah is helping you. Sarah, you're building tunnel with Tai Tai. Wow, good job, Sarah. Tai, you make it fall. Yeah, but she just wanted to help you.
Okay,
Look, she's gonna put it on the top. Put it down, Sarah. Oh no! Good. Yes. No, Sarah, you can't make it fall, Sarah. No. No, Sarah, don't hit it. Oh my gosh. Give them to Tai Tai. Give it to Tai Tai. Tyler, she's giving it to you. Oh, good job, Sarah. Give it to Tai Tai. Tai, say hello to the faves.
Hello, faves.
Tyler is back home from school and building. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Sarah. Oh my gosh.
She breaks down the tunnel like a little one.
Build, Sarah. Build with Tai Tai. Build. So I'm here. The kids are playing, and I am this new girl. Who is this new girl? My husband is gonna say, who is this new girl? New girl in the house. Who is this new girl? Babe has never seen my hair like this before, so I think he'll like it. He's gonna say, who's that girl? looking forward to see his reaction when he come home to see this new girl in his house. Oh my gosh. But let me tell you about tight. Oh my days. I know I'm gonna have a headache tonight. The front, I can't feel nothing at the back because the back is twisted. Let me show you guys. The back is twist and the front is corner. By the way, Tashika, that's what Tashika does as a profession. She does hair and nails. She did a very good job with my hair. So neat. Thank you again, Tashika. I know you'll be watching this vloggy. Lots of love. Anyway, you guys, I'm making dinner for the fam bam. What am I making today, you ask? What do you think I'm making for dinner? Comment down below before I tell you guys what do you think is on the menu for today. Today is Monday while I'm filming this, so comment down below what you think I'm making for dinner. Let's see who will be close enough to get in what I'm making for dinner today. Let's see who will be right. Who will be right? Alright, you guys guess? No, it's Monday, so it's a little Sunday Monday with some freshness. So I'm making ask Tyler what I'm to make for dinner, and he says pasta and chicken. So I'm making pasta over, first he had said pasta and salmon, and then he said pasta and chicken. So I'm making pasta over there. I was gonna make the chicken, but I changed my mind because I have some salmon leave over from yesterday, and I have some fish leave over from the day before, different type of fish, white fish. So, and I have some stew. I have some pea stew in the fridge. I have some pea stew in the fridge. So I am going to have this pea stew for myself. I don't feel for any meat right now. So I'm just like yesterday, I'm gonna have the meat stew, and I'm blending broccoli and ratatouille in one to make veggies. So ratatouille, if you guys don't know what it is a mixture of different veggies. It's a specialty of France. So I bought it in the frozen section. I didn't make it from scratch. French people like this kind of vegetable. So I'm mixing that with the broccoli. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the pot. So there goes the veggies over here, colorful and look good. So I'm gonna have veggies and the meat stew for my dinner, and baby's gonna have some of that and a little bit of the pasta, and the kids gonna have the pasta and fish, and that's dinner for today. What is his reaction to
I'm closing my eyes.
Come.
I can't come if I close my eyes.
Open it and come now.
Okay, no.
Come closer. Forward. I'm gonna touch you. Just come forward. Open your eyes now.
Okay, not bad.
What do you mean not bad? It's the first time I hear like this.
Okay, no, it's fine. You have a little cute face, so it's fine for you.
Bubble.
You show my face, don't it?
Come on.
I wanted to see her. He's counting the cake.
What is 7? You already ate 1 today?
Tashika got home with 1. He's so funny. He told me last night he's gonna come back home. He told me last night he's gonna come back home and count the cake, and as he walk in the house he count the cake. Can you believe that? You're hilarious. You're foolish. Babe say he like my hair. It showed my little cute face. Ow! You like a new girl?
Which one?
This one.
Which one?
Which one?
Yeah, new girl. I mean,
This one.
I have an old one, but I don't have a new one.
This one. What's tomorrow, boo? What's tomorrow? You know what Tyler just said to me that surprised me? I said, Tyler, you know what is tomorrow? He said, no. He asked me, then he replied, said, what date is today? I said, the 30th. He said, oh, tomorrow is the anniversary of Mama and Papa. So I said, yes. He said, so who's gonna keep us? That solidified things to make me know that Tyler is ready for Mama and Papa to leave him. That makes my heart smile. That made me know that he's ready. He said, who's gonna keep him? I was surprised by his response. I didn't expect him to say that at all, because we rarely go places leave Tyler. He said, so who's gonna keep us? He's too sweet. I wish I had somebody to keep them. I would definitely leave them tomorrow night. I feel like a 16-year-old all over again. First they've seen you all day. Say hello, baby. You got a new girl when you came home today. How you like it?
Fresh young one.
Anyway, you guys, I am coming on to end today's vlog. I am tired. I had an exhausting long day, and I'm ready to go to bed.
I'm ready to. I have a long day to wake up at 6 this morning.
And work out.
Work out, bike a little bit. It was hard, but I did it. It was a long day and I am exhausted. I don't know if I will do it again, but
I don't know if I'm going to wake up to work out tomorrow, but that will speak for itself.
I'm definitely not going to. Definitely not. I'm closing my eyes right now, it's hard. My God.
Anyway, you guys.
Sometimes you just have a boom. 5 minutes ago I was good, now boom.
I want to sleep, so I'm going to send you guys to bed to go to your bed. But don't go to your bed until you finish watch this vlog. Give it a thumbs up first before you go to bed. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, and catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.